3. Make your own coffee. Making coffee with the coffee beans. You can adjust the amount of water or powder to suit your taste. For example, more powder and less water for stronger flavors, less powder and more water for weaker flavors. Pour the water in the carafe to the water tank and place the carafe on the warming plate. Note that the amount of water corresponds to the cup numbers of coffee you require, because the machine will keep running until the water tank is empty. Add no more than 7 ounces of coffee beans into the bean box. Adjust the ground size, rotating the grinding knob clockwise to a finer grinding size or anti-clockwise to a coarser grinding size. Turn the knob directly to adjust to a coarser grinding size. Turn the knob directly to adjust to a finer grinding size when there are no beans in the grinding channel, but to adjust to a finer grinding size when there are beans in the grinding channel. Please grind the residual beans in the channel firstly before turning the knob. Swing out the funnel support to put the funnel inside. Make sure the bump at the edge of the funnel aligns with the groove at the edge of the funnel support. Then put the filter and funnel lid inside and shut the funnel support. Do not open the funnel support while the machine is brewing coffee. The steam will wet the powder at the powder outlet, which possibly damages the grinding system. Plug in the machine and press the on or off button to power on. Press the cup number selection button according to the amount you are grinding. Press the concentration button to choose your desired coffee concentration. Press the on or off button. The display screen will show the coffee icon when the grinding begins. Press the on or off button again to stop the process at any time. The machine runs until the water runs out, then beeps 3 times and keeps warming for 2 hours. You can power off the machine to exit the keep warming mode. Hold down above the handle to secure the carafe lid when serving yourself the coffee. Do not place the body parts under the drip stop to prevent scalds. If the coffee drips onto the warming plate, it should be wiped off with a clean cloth to avoid oxidation of the coffee erosion layer. Make your coffee with the coffee powder. Pour the water of corresponding amount in the carafe to the water tank. Place the carafe on the warming plate. Plug in the machine and power on. Swing out the funnel support. Put the funnel and filter inside. It is recommended to add 1 spoonful of powder in the filter for 1 cup of coffee. The maximum quantity of the powder added is 2.5 ounces. Otherwise, the overflow may occur. Then put back the funnel lid and shut the funnel support. Press the cup number selection button to correspond to the amount of ground coffee you added. Press the concentration button to choose your desired coffee concentration. Press the coffee mode button to enter the ground coffee mode. The button turns to red. Press the on or off button to start brewing. The display screen will show the coffee icon. While the coffee is brewing, you can remove the carafe to pour a cup or 2. The drip stop will close automatically. To avoid any overflow, replace the carafe within 30s. The machine runs until the water runs out, then beeps 3 times and keeps warming for 2 hours. The coffee you get would be less than the water you poured in, as some water had been absorbed by the coffee powder.